Throwing a child into a fridge is so easy. But have you ever heard of a microwave? Microwave plus child equals super fun! Now here's a tutorial on how to throw a child into a microwave. Step 1, find a child. Does not matter how you get it. Step 2, get a microwave. Plug it in. And I better not see a hot dog. I better see a child of the age of 1 through 9 in that microwave. Step 3, watch baby go kaboom! Yup.